This new WISD sports media program is an audio-visual production program. Students from both high schools are going to videotape the home football games and sporting events.
Justin Sanchez, University AV teacher.
Will Burney, AV teacher, Waco High School.
Whenever the lights come up, we say 3, 2, 1, we're live, this is it. That is where the fun begins, and that's where the fun lives. I'm blessed to work with really hardworking students that put this program first.
Because you'll start with them, in AV1, and you teach them all these things, and then this program kind of takes them and says, let's put them into a real situation. You get to really see them blossom and kind of come into their own and do the things that you've taught them to do in a real life setting instead of a classroom setting.
My name is Joshua Pena. I'm in 11th grade and I go to Waco High. I love it. I think it's great. I learn a lot about how to work a camera, how to do stuff on the computer, edit.
We have not only our technical director who is in control of what the viewer sees, but also an instant replay operator. 2 cameras, one on field and one up in the press box, sideline reporter, and then we also have an audio engineer.
Interesting because they came in sort of nervous, and then at the end of the evening, they come out confident and excited. And
I've witnessed a little bit of shock and awe. They're like, oh wow, this is incredible.
It was fun. I wasn't too intimidated. My favorite part about it was seeing my replays on the big screen. It was cool watching my work up there.
As far as like the game day production, we do a lot of practice and training, just getting ready for that game day.
So once the students videotape a game on a Thursday or Friday night, the next week they will edit it, they will produce it, and then we will show it.
Our students get to see their final products air not only on WISD TV on Channel 17, but as well as on the Waco ISD Athletics YouTube page.
It's a great opportunity for these students because they can do this for a year, a couple of years, and then they will be ready to go videotape in the workforce.
I left the field thinking, yeah, I want to do this again.